for those, you just have to convert it all before you actually purchase the annuity, which I don't know about you, that could be a huge tax bill if you do it all at once, okay? Hey there, my name is John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. So I'm in the woods today and I want to talk to you about QLACs. Okay, QLACs are a special type of annuity for deferring RMDs. So I had a client call me the other day and he actually wanted to defer $200,000 of his money, and he was thinking about actually doing another $200,000 of his wife's qualified money as well. So he was, I want to say 72 years old, and he wanted to cut this up actually into 4 different contracts. So he wanted to do $50,000 a piece, just to kind of give him some flexibility on when to turn on income. Because you have to remember, with a QLAC, along with a SPIA or a DIA, they're irrevocable. So once you put the money in and once you decide on the date that you're actually going to take income, it's set. You can't change it, okay? So you have to remember these contracts are irrevocable. And so what he wanted is to put $50,000 into 4 contracts and to activate income at different ages. So basically what he wanted to do is he just wanted to start a little bit of the income earlier, and then he was just going to defer out the rest of it as far as he could and just kind of line up some extra income streams from those $50,000 chunks at 83, 84, and 85. Because right now, you can't put more than $200,000 into a QLAC, and you can't defer it out longer than age 85. Now for me, my RMD age is 75. So I'm hoping that they might raise it for me maybe to 90. You never know. But if you don't want RMDs at all, then maybe you could just think about converting it to a Roth. Now, there are a few companies where you can purchase an annuity before converting it to a Roth, and you can convert it. You can do partial conversions after purchasing the annuity. They make it very, very flexible for you. So if you're thinking about doing some Roth conversions, but you also want to take advantage of high income rates for annuities, then it might make sense to book a call. Okay, there's a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar, and we'll look at all of the annuities available, and I'll show you the specific companies that are actually allowing for partial Roth conversions, because there are only like 4 of them that will allow it. Okay, so the rest of them don't. The rest of them, it's either all or none. Okay, or sometimes they won't allow it at all. So for those, you just have to convert it all before you actually purchase the annuity, which I don't know about you, that could be a huge tax bill if you do it all at once, okay? So anyways, something to talk about with your tax professional, of course, because right now, if your tax bracket is super high right now and it's gonna be a lot lower in retirement, it might not make sense to actually do a Roth conversion because your break even might be somewhere in your 80s. It just might not be worth it, okay? So you gotta think about that as well as far as the cost for doing a Roth conversion. So, but if you're looking to do a QLAC, okay, and if you're thinking, I want to reduce my RMDs, or at least defer some of my RMDs. I've already deferred it this long, but I want to defer it longer. Then a QLAC might be just the thing that you're looking for. And if you're looking for an expert in QLACs, that's me, all right? Book a call and we'll look at all of the options. I mean, most people that will defer it, they'll just put $200,000 into one contract and they'll defer the whole thing. But if you want to cut it up into chunks like this other guy did, you can do that too, okay? So it's very flexible, and you can absolutely do that to just kind of make it more flexible on your terms as far as when you want to take income. So if you want the highest income, the highest guaranteed income for life, it's usually always an income rider attached to a fixed indexed annuity. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it. Tell some funny jokes on the comment channel, and I'll try to answer back and make some up of my own. But I enjoy being out here. I did a few videos actually by the river today, but it was kind of loud, so I figured I'd come out here a little ways from the river and do a few videos where it's a little bit quieter. It's the quiet before the storm. I'm actually looking up the mountain right up there towards Job's Peak, right next to Carson Valley. It's a really fun peak. It's a beautiful peak. It's a fun to hike though, for sure. It's straight up, but it's actually got some snow up there right now. And the ski slopes actually open today. So we're gonna get a huge storm next week. So I'm literally here, the calm before the storm, but I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of QLACs. And if you wanna talk about those benefits for your account, then I invite you to book a call with me, okay? I won't try to sell you anything. I will just show you everything that's available, and then we can go from there. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.